Oh, hey guys, I'm in this trade right now. I closed the trade before, because I made them break even. The total loss was around like 52 or 54 something dollars, and right now I was I was up around like $200, but suddenly this candle came down, and then I lost. Not lost, but I already had my trade at break even because I never keep hops. So that's the only reason. And this thing is showing me I can expect one more down move, but before that I want this one to at least reach like this area, at least like 250 to $288. But if it doesn't, so now I'm gonna move my stop loss around here. So it's gonna be $81, 80 or $81. Because now if it like flipped downside, it's gonna be really bad. It should not flip. So my loss is around like 50 something dollars now. It should go up really quick. If it doesn't, then okay, I can wait because I don't want to get stopped out over here because this candle. Oh, no, 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 no. So this one is like creating a like a down move, I can say. Yeah, yeah, it is creating a down move. So for now, if it reaches like 100 something dollars, yeah, my stop loss is $99 now. If it come down, I'm out. It should flip now because now the 50-minute candle is started, and I can bet now. Now I can say it will go up because this one is showing me so much bullishness. So yeah, I will wait. And this candle, yeah, this candle uh, closed above inside the green candle. There are chances that it can go up because I don't want to rely on this 5 minute, like 1 minute candle. Although I was right there, but I don't wanna lose all of my patience over this small, because I took my big lot and there's little bit small space for this to like $600 to go for this. I know I'm doing stupid things, but I have to do it. I have to do it because there is some reason, and if I fail, that's my fault. And but according to my experience right now, it can go down, but I will wait because there are some chances. Yeah, for now, if it doesn't go up really quick, I will be out. It should go up really, really quick. next candle shows me one more like big green sorry red candle. Oh fuck. Yeah, probably we're gonna get fucking stopped out. They know that shit. 30 minute, 1 hour candle is bearish. It is bearish. Yeah, I would be. It would be great if I would. Ah, fuck. That's stupid. I don't want to close it right now. I want to get stopped out first. I took almost like more than 10% in just one fucking trade. Yeah, we're gone. We're gone. For now, I can say it go more down. So probably we're gonna head it for 1.5 lots. Let me see if we can get that money back. Yeah, there is some hope. Let me wait for. So our trade is risk free over here. So this trade is risk free. Right now, I wanna get. Let me see where we are. Yeah, so we are at the support. I wanna get stopped out in this zone. Don't want to get stopped out. Most probably it will stop me out, but I won't be removing it. Come on, come on. Yeah, go, 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 go. Now my stop loss is for it's like 124. Yeah, just want to break this downside. Go, 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 go. 600. closing almost most of the position over here, and I will wait for this move to go much more down. I'm waiting. So my target is around this area. Let me see if we can get there. This is a support, so it's probably gonna move around, but I'm expecting at least this price target, at least in this FVG. This FVG. $200. And now I started like reacting. This is the last downside move. It will go really fast down way. Just give me a quick money. Give me my money back. Yeah, just fall really quick. Yeah, go ahead. And now my stop loss is $200. 400. I can get 400. Okay, I wanna get out with the $400. Let's get out. So we are out, and most probably that's what I told you. Like at least at this price level, uh, so it touched it, and then going back really quick. So that was stupid trade today. I know they were stupid trades. The target was at least this price. This was the price. Okay, you guys see that? And we had $600 loss because my stupid decision I made in this live. And yeah, that's what we do here. Um, if I would had taken $50 loss over here instead of $600, because my analysis was perfectly fine. That's what I told you in the live, that if this candle doesn't go up really quick, if it goes down against my trade, I will be closing my trade around $80 or at least $50. Okay, I did it. I made a big loss until here, which was way like 100 pips. So 100 pips I lost. If I could have like booked my 50 or $80 loss, I could have like had a sell over here, because that's what I was thinking about. Like there should be two ways for the cells, right? And it came up. If I remove everything, 24 drawings I have. So it was touching the 50% level and was not like reacting properly in the buy side. And we had a like a downtrend in 5 minutes, and I was expecting, because most of the time Asian session That's like that. It goes up, take up the liquidity, everything, and make a V-shaped turn. That's what happened over here. It made a little bit of 1 minute character change on like that, and I could have sell over here because I was waiting to sell, and I did sell uh, in the paper trading. That's at this trade was over here, $8,000 in this account. $8,000 was here, and I made like 1:2 on this trade. So yeah, so that was the today's trade. We recovered our money, but that was a bad trade. Not the last one. Last one was fine. We were a little bit late in that trade, so that's why I had to take a big uh, lot, which was bad for the account. It could have like reversed, but according to my analysis, it was on my side. Because yeah, that this is the target. I should go over here, but we are already out. We don't want to lose more. So $940, not a bad one. Overall, we closed our trade in profit, and yeah, that was the today's trade. It's 10 o'clock evening time. Thanks for the live. I will be doing this live every single day, and because I'm journaling my trades, and I'm gonna do this for next 3 months, and I'm gonna record my journal over here, over here. So that's what I did, waiting for a pullback in a new FVG. Okay, and it didn't made a new, it did made a FVG, and but like over here, but in some way I was expecting a V shape because that's what it did uh, yesterday. So over here you can see it went into this this liquidity zone, and it took out all the liquidity. Although I don't mark those liquidity, I'm just telling you guys that it does take out the liquidity, but I don't like mark it or something like that. I just wait for my FVGs over here, and I did. It create a FVG above, and most of the time it doesn't respect it and goes way up there. And today you're gonna see in the London, maybe you're gonna see a down move because it's already like printing green candles rapidly. It needs some space to breathe in. Maybe today's the time. So yeah, and this was a today's trade, and let me mark everything out. Yeah, this was the trade. This was the trade. It could have made all the way up down there, but we don't know. I only target 1:2 because most of the time if you go longer in the risk ratio, you get like racked up really quick. Your win rate is gonna be too low. So in today's trade, we made a pullback, but it didn't made a pullback. So XAU, Two trades. So guys, I'm just ending this live stream. So peace out. We're gonna meet tomorrow. See you.